Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Verizon WiFi Extender CE1000A setup in very simple and easy way. So watch this video till the end. Firstly, we will unbox the product box. The Verizon WiFi Extender CE1000A package includes the extender unit itself, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. These components are designed for straightforward plug-and-play installation, enhancing your Wi-Fi coverage seamlessly. Now connect the extender to a power outlet near your Verizon router. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes solid white. This means it's ready. Find the WPS button on your main router, usually labeled or marked with 2 circular arrows or WPS. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for about 3 to 5 seconds. The WPS LED on the router will start blinking, indicating it's ready to pair. Now locate the WPS button on the extender. On the CE1000A extender, the WPS button is usually located on the front or side panel. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the WPS button on the CE1000A for 3 to 5 seconds. The WPS LED on the extender will begin to blink, showing it's trying to connect. Within 1 to 2 minutes, the WPS LED on both the router and the extender should become solid white or blue, confirming successful pairing. Other extender LEDs, like Wi-Fi or Signal, will light up once it's connected. Unplug the extender and move it to a location where the Wi-Fi signal is weak but still within the range of your router. Plug it back in and wait for it to reconnect. The LED indicators will help you judge the signal strength. Your Verizon CE1000A extender is now connected using WPS. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.